Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you that how to open this stuck and bad this Volkswagen and Audi cars, these drive shafts, these holding bolts. And now I have in here situation that this, in my case, it has been so bad situation that this my drive shaft and drive axle, it has been even cut by this metal saw. And now I have managed to take these bolts out, but some of these bolts, there's situation that this bolt's head, it is bad. Let's look closer. Okay, and now there is really situation that this is my tool. What size is now M8? There is this type M8 is this size, and look, it is multi-corner this tool, and here is one of these bolts what I have managed to open, and look, this there is many of these holes, and this fits really well, and then I can open that in this way. But now there is also, it has been happened that I have managed to open most of these bolts in that way, but then some of these bolts, there has been happened that this bolt has been damaged in here. And let's go to look this inner situation. Okay, and now we can see in their inner, and look, this is totally slippery. And when we compare in that one, we can see that there is direct contact and bolt moves, but in here this bolt is totally bad. And how I can open that kind of bolts what are damaged so badly? What is the thing? Let's go to look at how it happens. Okay, and then when I am opening these bolts, some of these bolts, they are so damaged that I can't open it. How I can open it? First one is that I can try to insert that one in here, but this is so totally bad. And now I need a little bit bigger this tool. Idea is to find, because this size is M8, there is text M8, that I need like M10 or M9, and let's go to look at that. Okay, and now I have a little bit bigger, what size is like 10, M10, but now it seems that this is too big in here, and that's I need something else. And here is a little bit else, it is a little bit different, this drill bite, and this type is TX45 is this type, TX45. And now I think that this tool will fit in here when I hit that. And let's go to look closer. Okay, and now I think that this my tool, it can fit in here when I a little bit hit that in here in my hammer. And let's look at how it happens. Okay, and here is this my tool, and then I insert that in here, and there is this my hammer, and I will little bit hammer that in directly in that area. Good. And then I will hammer that even more, that this my tool goes deeper, and let's look what happens next. Okay, and here is then this my tool, and then I take my hammer, and now I will hit this even more, and then I keep my hand in here in better grip. Okay, good. Okay, looks good. Now I think that this is better. Okay, good. And now when this my tool is in position, then I need my good impact driver. Okay, and then I need this my impact driver, and then let's look at how it happens if I try to open. An opening direction is in that way. Let's check that this is rotating there. Good. And then let's start. Okay, and now I test. And then look in here. Okay, not good, not good. It is even slippery in here. Okay. Okay, and there happens again that they are slippery. Okay, not nice. And now I have to install in here new tool. Okay, and then I have second tool. What is this hexagonal tool? And type is HW7. And I try to install in that one in here. And again, I try to hit that in there. And let's look at what happens next. Okay, and here is this my tool. And then hammer. Okay, and then I put my impact drive. Okay, it is not working. Okay. Okay, and now I am hitting this my tool again, and now I have another hammer in here, in that another side. And let's look what happens. And now I am planning to hit this even more in here, that this contact is better. Okay, and now this my tool is even better. And let's test that how I can open this my bolt next. Yes, and now it opens. Really nice. Okay, and now I finally managed to open that, and let's go to look that area next. Okay, and now we can see that this my contact point is better, and now I can rotate that, and then I can also take this my tool away. Look, this is my that new tool, and it is not the original one. And let's go to look in their inner area also. And now when I hit that so hard, it makes in there new this inner area, in this tool area. And now I can take that away, and we can see that there is this new type of this inner area, what fits in that tool. Okay, and in that way I can open these bad bolts, and then I have left in here one, and I will also open that one. But then, my friend, thumbs up if you think that this is useful in your bad Volkswagen and Audi cars driveshaft bolts or some another car where is same idea.